Hi guys, welcome to my channel and this is Late Code. We are solving reverse linked list problem today. So the problem statement is given the head of a singly linked list, reverse the list and return the reversed list. So we are given a singly linked list and then we have to reverse it and then again return it. So reversing a list, what we will do, we will take a pointer, this one pointer here, then again another pointer will be pointing here, and then we will take another pointer next pointing here. So once we have these three pointers pointing to all these three nodes, what we will do is for this pointer 2, what we will do, we will make its next to this one, the first pointer's value. So once this has been pointed to this one, we may lose these nodes. So that's why we have another pointer that is pointing to here, and we have made this pointer to pointing to pointer one. Then what we will do, we will make this pointer 2 as pointer 3 and pointer 1 as pointer 2, and then again what we will do, we will make next pointer pointing here, and then again we will do the same thing. So this way we will reverse all these uh, uh, node next values to these previous nodes, and our linked list will be reversed. Only the heads next node will be pointing to this one, and at the end of this loop what we will do, we will make it point to null. So we will then we will have a uh, reverse linked list. So this is how we are going to proceed. And first of all, here we will check whether our given head is equals to null or not. If the head is all equals to null, then we will just return the head, since we don't have to do anything. The next thing we are going to do is we are going to declare two variables, that is ptr1, which is equals to head, and ptr2, which will be equals to heads next. Then we will be going inside a loop where ptr's next should not be equals to null, while and ptr2 should not be equals to null. So these two values should not be equals to null. Then we will go inside the loop and then we will declare another pointer 3 that will be equals to ptr2's next. So ptr2 was pointing here, its next value is 3, so we made ptr3 pointing here. Now we will change ptr's to ptr2's next to ptr1. So ptr2's next equals to ptr1. So we made it point here. If so, now we need to move our ptr2 to here, and similarly ptr1 to ptr2. So let us first move ptr1 equals to ptr2. ptr1 is now pointing here, and if Let us not go into that condition. Any condition. So PTR2 will be equals to PTR. So PTR1 has now is now pointing here, and PTR2 is now pointing here. Then we will again check whether PTR1's next is equals to null or not, and PTR2's next is equals to null or not. And then we will do the same again. Also PTR1 is now pointing here. So now let us make head next equals to null. Okay. So once we have reached here, this last value, PTR1 is this, PTR2 is this, PTR next is null. So we made PTR 2's next to 4, and then we made PTR1 as this one, and PTR2 as null. So this will complete all ours. At the end, what we need to do is return PTR1. Let us run our 54321, 54321. Okay, let us check for this also. That's fine. Let us check for two nodes also. For two nodes, run code. So it has passed. Let us submit our solution. So if you like my solution, then please subscribe to my channel. And if you have a better solution or suggestion for me, then please put it in comment box. Thank you for watching.